Hi, in this short video I will be explaining to you how to use BCS Technology's Azure Marketplace offering called Corda Single Node. This offering is used to create a new node that then connects to an existing Corda network. This already existing network must have a network map node, as this is what is used to allow new nodes to join the Corda network. This is explained in the Corda documentation, and we also provide an offering to create your own network map. For this demonstration, I'll be using a pre-existing network map, and before we get into creating our node, there is a small configuration bundle we need to create. And in our documentation, which can be accessed via the store page, which is here, you can see the layout and required files for this bundle. So we require a certificates folder, and inside are 3 certificates which you would need to get previously from the network map. There is also a CordApps folder, which is where you place any CordApp jar files you wish to include in your node. And finally, there is a node.conf file, which is a Corda specific file, and within this file you put any changes you want to make for your node, and you also need to ensure that the compatibility zone URL is set for the network maps URL. And then once you have this bundle, you can zip it up and set a password, and then you'll be able to upload it in our offering. So we'll just get it now. This will take us to the actual Azure page. So to create our node, we just need general virtual machine information that you would need for the VM that will host the node. So I'll just be using most of the default configurations that we have set, but you can change them if you feel like it. So this is just how you access the VM, the SSH username and password. And a resource group to place your virtual machine. So I'll leave all these as default. And so now we have to input the encrypted bundle and password which you would have created. So I'll put one here that I've already used, but I'll be able to show you. In this zip, we have the certificates, the CordApps, and the node.conf. And inside the node.conf, you can see this compatibility zone URL is previously set to, so this is our network map that I previously used. And inside the CordApps, you can just have any CordApps. So this is just the Yo CordApp, which is Corda's default CordApp. And the certificates is just the same. It's the network map. So now you just put in your password. Okay. You'll run some validation. Passed. And then you just create the node. And then once this deployment is complete, then your new node will be up and connected to the network. If you want to learn more, you can see our documentation that we have. And also, if you want to see how to create your own network map, we also have a separate video explaining that, and our own offering for that as well. Thanks for watching.